Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This afternoon I thought we would go through and create a snowflake lantern. Christmas is just around the corner, so a lot of people are looking for holiday decor and recently did an order on these, so I thought I'd step up and show a video on this. So I'm going to go open up a project that I've already done, and I'm going to zoom in here and show you what I've already got. So this is a very simple, easy to use lantern. These kind of slip together. Great for people that don't want to fuss with having to put things together. I'm going to show you how I created these snowflakes. So I'm just going to do File, Import, and I'm just going to grab a snowflake, any snowflake on here. And this is one that you can just grab from the web. Easiest thing to do is once you import your image, you right click on it and you do Trace Image. And then you can play with the slider down here and adjust it to get exactly what it is that you want. Click OK. And now you can see I've moved my snowflake out. And I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup. If I was to cut this out right now on my lantern, essentially it's going to cut out this whole outside. So all this detail that I want to show on the inside is just not going to show up. And it's actually things just fall out. So I'm just going to go make this into a single path. And I'm going to click on the outside layer. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to go in and take this stuff out in the center. And there I have it. There's my snowflake. So just grab one of these guys right here, make it single, down, everything else here. And this lantern is actually created to cut out 3mm plywood, any kind of 3mm stock that you want to use. So essentially I'm going to take my snowflake, I'm going to put it over here. I'm just going to resize it, duplicate it, add other little spots here. And you can play around with these. You can make them whatever you want. You don't have to use the same snowflake. You can lock them together if you wanted to. Sizes, pretty much whatever you decide you want to do. I wanted to pull in another snowflake. Go over here to import. Let's scroll down. That's something. Now let's take this heart one. Oh, well, let's take the heart one. So this one, I'm also going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn it into a line. And I can go and clean this up. All right. So now I can take this one and I can resize it. I can drop it in here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. And then same thing, I can duplicate that, drop it over other little spots. Designing in lightburn is very easy. So once you get the hang of it, learn some of the basics, pretty simple to go in. All right, so that's essentially what my lantern would be. On the Monport, I am using, and this is the right speed, the right power settings for me, doing 20 millimeters a second for speed, and I'm doing 50% power in one pass. All right, so let's jump right over to the laser and let's start to create. right, so here we are with all four pieces pulled out, all five pieces actually, I should say, since we got four pieces that are for the walls and then one piece that's for the base. And right here, I'm just cleaning them up, taking out all the snowflakes that didn't fall out automatically on their own, and just getting them all prepared for sanding. As you can see with this first piece, I broke off one of the arms when I was taking it out, so I actually had to make another one, which you'll see later on in the video. All right, so here I'm just doing some sanding, getting them all cleaned up. A lot of times with CO2 lasers, if you don't put some laser masking tape over top, you'll get a little bit of burn on the outside. And so I'm just cleaning that up, getting them all prepared to put together. So now that these are all sanded up, we're just going to slip them into each other and get them all put together. And you can see this is a pretty simple design. I mean, they're pretty easy to put together. I think that's why a lot of people like these type of lanterns. They make great kits. You can design many different faces on them and ship them out quite easily. So you'll see these come together. I'll show you the final version here in just a few minutes.